If you have about $90,000, you can own the original bucket seats fitted to the first ever Corvette prototype. Technically, these seats were installed in 1952, so they are 68 years old. The listings for these seats was posted on eBay, and they have a buy it now price of $90,000. It is difficult to put a price on a one-of-a-kind item, but $90,000 is definitely a starting point. A total of 5 cars were made under the name Project Opel and given the internal tracking numbers 852 and 856. 3 were running pre-production prototypes. 2 of those were built for shows and 1 was made for development and testing. 2 other vehicles were never completed and used as spares for development purposes. These seats belonged to number 852. The first one, Corvette 852, was born on the 22nd of December, 1952. Number 852 toured the country as a show car until it was ordered for scrap in October 1953. The fact that these old bucket seats are still around is pretty incredible.